Good solid advice about how to make money online that anyone can use. There is so much information out there about making money online that it can sometimes be hard determining what is helpful and what is not. That is the point of this video. It will teach you the proper way to make money online. So, pay close attention to the information that follows. One great way to make money online is to use a site like Etsy or eBay to sell things you make yourself. If you have any talents, from sewing to knitting to carpentry, you can make a killing through online markets. People want items that are handmade, so join in. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. Before you set your heart on making money online, set your household up. Making sure you are free from interruptions can be a very important part of your success. Children, spouses and other people can cut you off at the most inconvenient times. Make sure your time is your own, so you can maximize earnings. One great way to make money online is to write. If you have the talent and ability to write well with few or no grammatical and spelling errors, many people will want your services. Writing jobs can be anything from rewriting badly written information to writing all new, original information and more. You can also make money by writing your own content for a blog or video directory by making good use of keywords and opening an account with Google AdSense. Tutoring is a great way to make money. Because of this, e-teaching can be a valid route for you to go. There are many great sites including Smart Thinking and Tutor Vista. If you succeed, you may get additional opportunities as well. Are you a good salesperson? Look into becoming an affiliate. In this line of work, you will earn money each time you sell a product that you have agreed to endorse. After joining an affiliate program, you will get a referral link. From there, you can begin selling products, either on your own website or on someone else's site. Start out small when you want to make money online, to minimize potential losses. For example, something that looks promising could turn out to be a bust and you don't want to lose a lot of time or money. Do a single tax, write just one video or order only one item until the site you choose proves to be safe and worthy. This video has given you useful facts about making money online. Now, you do not have to worry about what is the truth and what is fiction. When you put the above tips to use, you may be surprised at how easy making money online is. Use these tips and enjoy what follows. Student loan.